name is Mark Chaplin and we are at John Paul College at Daisy Hill in the Coleman Centre. So the Coleman Centre is the school's multi-purpose hall. So they do anything from assemblies, musicals and also sports, basketball, volleyball. The hall had an existing overstage projector, which was rear projection, but had issues with sightlines, couldn't be seen from all angles within the hall. So the scope was to add additional displays as well as improve the audio, so for even coverage across the hall. With the new 3-screen setup, it enables them to do different images, so they can have a different image over the stage than they do on the 2 large LED screens. But the improved brightness and viewing angles from all across the hall has got really good feedback from the school and also parents that visit the space. So we decided to partner with Combox on this project. The school uses Combox interactive flat panels across the school in all their classrooms, and Combox have a display experience centre at Spring Hill. So it was great for the stakeholders from the school to go and visit the Combox showroom and be able to see in the flesh technology that they would be using in the hall. These particular displays are 220-inch 2.5p LEDs. The screens are over 300 kilos, so as part of the due diligence, the school engaged an engineer to provide structural support for the walls. So we worked in conjunction with the engineer to make sure that everything was rated appropriately so we could install the screen safely. The great advantage with these LEDs is they have a polymer layer over the front of the cabinets. This protects them from ball strikes, and a backup safety feature is that they have stainless steel tethers on the back of all the tiles, which attaches it to the frame, so if it does ever dislodge, it doesn't ever fall to the ground and smash or hurt anyone that might be standing underneath it. So the main overstage projector is an Epson 13,000 lumen laser projector, and that's projecting onto a 200-inch motorized screen. As part of the audio upgrade, we have QSC front of house speakers and delays, and there are subs underneath the stage. That's running with Shure ULXD microphones and an Allen & Heath QU mixer. When the screens were first turned on, I think everyone was impressed with the image quality and the overall brightness, especially with all the ambient light that is in the space. And even with the house lights turned up full, the image cuts through all of that light. We've had a long and successful relationship working with JPC, and we look forward to working with them again in the future.